My lovely people that are watching, we're on MoneyBru Show from DJM.Design. I'm Daniël-James. We're talking about how to start a business that you are passionate about. What does that look like? I'm with Sal Gomez, Caitlyn, Hazel, and then I have Rock Shandy right here, which is really like it's a good drink. It's like a soda drink, I would say.
Okay.
And it's pretty strong. That's like a good flavor, like cinnamon. But let's give it a try.
Okay.
I'll do a quick yuck to yum. It's intense. It's not for everyone.
It is. I like that. It's intense and mellow at the same time.
The soda water didn't really come through. I think maybe it went flat.
I have a little fizz in it.
Pop.
Got a little fizz.
I have a little fizz. Mm-hmm.
The pop.
It's good.
The word pop in Afrikaans is also like a flat wheel or flat.
Oh,
You can
well,
use it. Yeah.
it makes sense then. It's just like that.
Like certain words in Afrikaans mean like 5 things. Like
Sure.
lig means light, air, light, like, you know, it's
Yeah.
like everything.
It's like English. Well, it's kind of like a meal in a cup, honestly.
It's not like a Bloody Mary.
No, it's refreshing though. I do think that the lemonade and soda water mix is pretty refreshing. I'm a soda water junkie. Personally love Topo Chico.
Okay.
Yeah, I love
Jeez,
Topo
I didn't
Chico.
even know that one.
It's
Cool.
so good.
We'll throw it on the website.
Mineral water.
Oh, cool. Cool.
Yeah.
1 to 10?
I'm gonna give it a 9.4 because it does taste pretty
Jeez.
refreshing. It's not too sweet.
No.
I could drink this.
That's amazing. For me, this is like a 2.
She
A
likes
2.
it. She likes it better than me.
I made mine so bad today. What's yours?
I'm with you. I'm like on a
It's a
2.
2, man.
Yeah.
Man. Okay, let's move on. How to start a business you're passionate about. These are some wise people in front of me, so let's hear it.
Whew, thanks.
Yeah.
Well, to start a business that you're passionate about, you have to first find what you're passionate about.
Oh God, there's so many people you
Yeah.
ask what their passions are and they just don't know. And
Yeah.
I see this in my
Yeah.
adult children.
Sure, they're learning,
Yes.
right? They're figuring it out.
Right?
So
Yeah.
first figure out what it is.
What you're passionate
Holy
about.
moly.
And for somebody that's having a hard time finding what they're passionate about, go do stuff. Go do different stuff. Don't just not do anything, and that's never going to get you any further.
Action.
So go do all the stuff. If there's something that you ever wanted to try, go try it. And if you find that that excited you, then go a little bit deeper and
Yeah.
research about it. Don't just go and do it and then, it's kind of half-assed, so to speak.
Totally.
Read about it, find out more about it, do it good, and move from there. And then, if that wasn't it, try something else.
So give yourself a very short runway.
Yes.
Because you don't want to fail for too long.
Yeah, and you don't want to waste any
'Cause we all do
time.
that, right?
But yeah.
The shiny object syndrome.
The way I
Right.
define what's passionate or what passion is you're willing to do it even when you're tired. You're willing to do it
That's
even
awesome.
Even when you don't
You're,
feel
like,
good.
exhausted.
when you're just exhausted and you don't feel good. It's still something that just
It
pulls
excites
on you and
Yeah.
just says, go do this, and
It's like the show,
Yeah.
Like even when I'm tired, I love it. My wife's like, why are you doing this? Like, I love this, man. I'm here for you guys.
Yeah.
Show me
awesome.
some subscribe love, Like, come on. Like,
Share
For
the
me, I'm
love.
passionate
can't
about
be a
2
one-way
wheels.
street here, guys.
Yeah.
You're on the show for a reason. I'm here to exchange. I'm here to give.
awesome.
Sal's giving too. He's a good example of like trying a lot of things. And I think especially when you're young, travel a lot. If you can, before kids.
Yeah.
So I love that. So try a lot of things to find those passion areas, and then what do you combine them? What do you do at that point? How do you know which one's a business and which one's not?
I think for the sake of money and what your finances are, if you have endless finances, go ahead and do whatever. If you have a budget or you have to stay within a limit, like most people, you need to figure out where you're willing to spend that money. And when you have that passion and you figure out, okay, I want to go bigger with this, then that's where you'll figure out, okay, and then how you want to go bigger, how you want to bring it to, people that you want to share it with.
Totally.
And
Well, being under-financed is one of the great pitfalls of starting businesses, which
Yeah.
I believe is why so many of them fail. And so
Yeah.
when you don't have all the money in the world and you're self-financing your own startups, you have to just plan those things. And I think that plan them very carefully. But passion is, I believe, what the universe gives to you to feed your soul, feed yourself with. And then purpose is what you give back. This thing that you've cultivated, this entity that you've created has a way of giving back to the community, giving back to the world, giving back to the universe. So it's like taking that energy in, feeding yourself, turning it, mixing it up, turning it, creating, giving you energy with it, and then it gives you something to give back that's tangible.
Yeah.
And what better way to give back than through business and giving back to the community, giving back to people that you care about, and putting out a good product for those people.
Yeah.
That's the
Exactly.
I would say where passion and purpose intersect, that is your strongest place that you will work from and you will create from. And I
the
think
most authentic.
So you got to identify what your passion is, and you have to set it on a course to intersect your purpose. And if you can get those to intersect, because they will be in parallel, they will want to walk in parallel, but to actually get them to intersect it takes some effort.
That's my next segue. We're going to talk about Adventure Host, because I really want to.
Oh,
And
yeah, let's talk about it.
I'm going to pull this up if I can reach it from here. So Adventure Host is really cool, and you guys should really pay attention to this. They're doing tour, like explain this to me, because I really want the audience to know about this.
Passion. I went to work as a kid, a young man, and just working. And my passion, the way I would feed myself, has been two wheels. Anything on two wheels: mountain bikes, bicycles, motorcycles. Motorcycles are really, truly my passion. And Caitlyn and I share that passion together. But it's something that, it's that thing that's always walked in parallel with me. That I had to break away to go do. And so, in business, you'll always find the most success when you can be the most authentic. And I think that is the greatest reason why you would take your passion and go to work on making it your business, because you can operate and be the most authentic and genuine. Then when you're communicating and having relationships, when you're affecting people, because you will affect them, everybody you come in contact with, good or for bad, you will affect everybody you come in contact with. So when you're coming in contact with people around your passions that is becoming your business, then now you can really affect people in a positive way, and they want to do business with you because they trust you, and they want to spend that time with you. So Adventure Host was a way that, we're a very Colorado, as a brokerage, we're very Colorado brokerage, we're very Colorado outdoors people, and Adventure Host gives us a platform that we can cast a net and cross-seed multiple platforms, social media platforms, with our passion and cast
something
that
more
net.
interesting than just real estate.
Yes.
We can have campfire talk with people.
You're tapping into like the sister platform where you're like, what else? It's fun to watch motocross, fun to see it, fun to, Sal has a bunch of footage, that he wants to do stuff with, and that's all cool. Like, I have passions that I do that I don't even think about charging,
Sure.
Like, so I break dance for fun, and sometimes look like an idiot, but other times I figure it out. And I've always wanted to teach kids, but I'm still in the I need to grow this business. So I want to get to a place where I can do what you guys are doing. But definitely go check their stuff out. It's so cool and powerful to unlock that in yourself. You may be working on a passion right now that you don't even know could be a career move. We think too linearly in life. I think you have to test it out and see where it goes, and then decide, right? Like, I had a friend who they do dinners at their house, but they also charge people and do like a little couples training on like each other, and it's my wife's like, why would I go to that? I'm like, because it's like you get to deal with some cool people, and still the guy get to cover his cost and make some money on top of that. So
I know a guy that has his own personal whiskey collection, and he sells basically whiskey tours, and you get to go to his home bar. He'll take it to you. He will.
No way.
Yeah.
I think I looked at someone's house who had a bar like this.
Yeah.
No, I looked at the house of the guy who owned distillery something 777.
Okay.
Yeah. He was listing a house at a time, and I was like, man, your
wild.
bar is amazing.
Yeah.
It's like these guys always have the best bars in their house,
right?
And they always have the basement bar. It's like too dope.
You can just make a business out of anything that you're passionate about. You're passionate about whiskey. This guy's passionate about it. He'll sell whiskey tours, and
Well, you're a vault of knowledge. You're a vault of knowledge
Right.
in these areas that you're passionate about. So
Exactly.
it can be painful sometimes to get all of that out
there.
because.
Absolutely.
So quick.
But if you don't, then no one else gets to share it with you.
Exactly, right? It's so powerful. So quick little note, I was going to do a data grind, but I'm just going to keep it simple for today. So you guys already know part of the data grind is that you want to show up on Google's like Google My Business listings on the homepage.
Right.
You want to be on that page. You want to have those pages optimized. We're working on that on Adventure Host and Realty, so you'll see some new stuff there.
Yes.
Your goal is to really tell the story that'll convert people for you. Some agencies do it, we do it, some other people do it as well. Finding the right fit. It's okay to fire your agency after a while or move on. Or in your case, you know, a close friend who he's in a different part of his career. And so he handed the keys over to us so we could help them not build a whole new site, but go on a monthly option to get there. So go at the pace that you're going. I'm seeing a lot of monthly accounts during these recessionary times. And it's fun. I think patience in business and the love of labor and us getting more blogs. If we can get them like 10 to 20 blogs, we can run some natural traffic and do some more backlinking and keywords, things like that. So backlinking is we take any other article and we say, hey, what are all the touring websites that we can list on? Let's throw Adventure Host on there. So my team will be working on that with them in this next couple.
I'm so excited about that.
Thank you.
That's so exciting, man.
Yeah, you're in the right place. Guys, that was part of the MoneyBru grind. We'll do some more of these. Let us know what you want to see. Let us know if you want us to change the studio, change the guest format, change our tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments and we'd love to hear from you. All our book giveaways are done with Matt Sharp, so no more of those. But yeah, give us some tips and pointers. We love you guys. We do this for you to grow and to enjoy. Any last words from my two awesome guests?
Thanks so much for having us, Daniël-James. This was great. It was so good to get to share our story and really reflect on it. This was a good time for us to reflect. Yeah. And we really enjoyed it. So thank you.
That's a pleasure.
It's an honor and I appreciate you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sal. Thank you to our editors who help us from time to time. We appreciate you guys as well. Cheers. Cheers. See you on the next one.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see us.